This, you see the dirt and the grim here, you have two options, whether to scrub or use this drill that has brush connected to it. I don't feel like, getting on my knees and scrubbing to get this dirt off. So I just figure out, why don't I just give this drill brush a try? Looks like it's working very well. It comes in 3 different sizes. This brush is made of high quality PP material. It has a stainless steel mandrel fit into most of the cordless drill. Saves time, and you save money as well, because you could use your time for something else. So as you see, look at the condition of this tub. This is all from the last project I was doing in the bathroom, and now it's time to clean up, leave the customer with a good job, well done. You don't want to leave the customer with all the dirt from the last project. So instead of scrubbing, this brush is going to do the trick. As you see, all the dirt incoming. Of course, I soaked it with water first, and then I sprayed with bleach, and then this drill that I had to use to get it all going. You don't want to leave anything dirty, as I said, but it's working very well. It's working very well, and I'm just going to go and spray just to show you amount of dirt that I got off from the tub with the help of this brush. Saved so much time, saved so much effort, and it worked wonderful. I was worried if it's gonna work or not, but looks like it's working. So I would recommend this product. I found it online, and I'm sure you would find it too. So I believe I found it on Amazon. All right. So this is very simple yet very useful product. So if you like this video, please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like this video, and continue watching. What I'm doing is I just changed it to the smallest brush that came in the box. As you saw, I have 3 different types: small, medium, and large. The large one is more for bigger surface. So the small one is perfect for tight places like this, the folds and the tight places where you can't get the big one. This is the biggest one, the biggest brush. So you cover most of the surfaces, which I found very useful for the big part of the tub. However, the smaller brush were better at getting to the corners. So I put the medium brush back on. Thank you for watching.